How to fix the mouse lagging and freezing issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So first you want to right click on the start button and open up the settings. Then you want to click on devices and click on mouse on the left side. Then you want to click on additional mouse options right here. And in the mouse properties window, then you want to go to the pointer options tab and make sure the speed is adjusted so it's not too fast or too slow, as well as enhanced pointer precision is enabled, and disable the display trails if you have it enabled already, because it might look like it's lagging if you don't want this effect, of course. Now once you're done, you can click on apply and OK. Now the next thing to do is right click on the start button again and open up the device manager, and then expand the mice and other pointing devices, and then right click on your mice device and click on update driver, and first try to search automatically for drivers, and if you can't find available drivers, try to search for them in Windows Update by looking in the optional updates right here, expand drivers, and check the relevant mouse driver update, and then click on download and install if you find one here. Now if you don't find one, you can basically look up your mouse model if your brand offers a software that you can use for updates, such as Logitech, and it will basically suggest you to download the Logitech G Hub gaming software, which you can use to get updates for your mouse and basically adjust the mouse speed and stuff like that. So if you open up the Logitech Hub, and from here you should be able to configure your mouse. As you can see right here, you can click the mouse on your software and adjust the DPI and stuff like that, which might make the mouse very fast in some cases. And it will basically have buttons to switch the DPI, which can make it go slow or fast randomly, or whenever you click the button by mistake. Now if doing that still does not help fixing the issue, what you can do is basically clean your mouse sensor, and sometimes the dust in the sensor might cause stuff like that. So make sure to clean it very well, and also use a clean mouse pad as well. And also try to disconnect your mouse and then plug it again, or switch off the battery if it's battery powered, and switch back to the cable to see if that solves the issue. And the last solution that you can do on your PC is to open up the CMD or PowerShell or terminal as admin in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, and then run this command right here, which is sfc/scan now, and then press enter. But you must run it in as admin to be able to run this command. And just wait for this command to scan your computer and repair any potentially corrupted files, in case if this issue is being caused by malware or stuff like that. And once this process finishes, you just need to restart your computer, and that should basically fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.